What's going on, everyone? I wanted to come on here and make a quick video explaining what binary options trading is within the Forex market. If you don't know what Forex is, it stands for the foreign exchange market. This video is not going to really cover too much about what Forex is, but it is going to go over a style of trading within the Forex market. And that style of trading is called binary options trading, and it's based around the question, do you think price is going to go up or do you think price is going to go down? And in what time frame do you think that's going to happen? So the screen that you're looking at right now is a broker account, and we're going to go through some of the features on this broker account. We're also going to play some demo trades so you get an idea what it looks like to actually enter a trade on here. So starting up here in the top right hand, we have our option type. We always keep it on turbo, but you do have the option to change it to intraday or long term. Turbo just gives you the option to trade from anywhere from 1 minute all the way up to 30 minutes. And what this is the amount of time that you would be in a trade for. So if I select 1 minute, that means if I were to enter a trade, I would be in that trade for a total of 1 minute. And then below that, you have fixed time, and you can choose whether you want your fixed time on or off. If you do put it on, that means no matter what, when you enter the trade, you're going to get whatever time is selected. So if I were to enter a trade right now, I would be in that trade for 1 minute. Now if I take my fixed time off, this little running clock is going to appear up here, and that means that whatever time this is at when I enter my trade is the amount of time that I'm going to be in that trade for. For example, if I were to enter a trade right now, I would be in the trade for 43 seconds. Although I have 1 minute selected, since my fixed time is off, I'm working with this running clock. Now this running clock does reset once it hits that halfway mark. So since we started with a minute, you'll see it reset now, and then it goes back to 59 seconds or a minute. Now we get to the good stuff, my favorite part. How much am I gonna risk and how much am I gonna profit? In this amount section right here, you get to choose how much you wanna risk per trade. Right here, I have $1 selected, and then below that will pop up how much you're going to profit if you do win this trade. And depending on what percentage is over here on the currency pair that you selected, that's how much you're gonna profit. For example, I am on AUD USD, which is the Australian dollar against the US dollar, and it has 60% next to it, which means I'm going to, if I win the trade, I'm going to get paid out 60% of whatever I risk. Since I have $1 in my amount selection right here, if I win the trade, I would get paid out 60 cents. In order to actually enter a trade, you have to decide whether you want to go in for a call or a put. If you're familiar with any options trading, whether it's in the stock market or you've done binary options before, you know that if you go in for a call, you want price to move up. If you go in for a put, you want price to move down. So what we're going to do is we're going to enter a demo trade. I'm going to do a 2-minute trade so I have time to explain some more details. I'm going to go in for a call. As you can see, this green line appear here. That means I went in for a call, and now in order for me to win this trade, I need price to be above this green line by the time it reaches this dotted dash vertical line right here. Right now, price is below this line, so if time were to expire right now, I would lose my dollar. Down below here, you have all of your details related to the trade that you are currently in. So I have my asset, which is the currency pair that I have selected. I have my strike price, which is the price that I got into the market. I have my expiry price, which is if time were to expire right now, whatever price that is. So this is, you'll see this price continues to move. Then I have the option that I chose, whether it was a call or a put. I have my start time, which is when I enter the trade. Then I have my expiry time, which is when my trade will expire. I also have my order size, which is how much I'm risking on that trade. Then I have my payout. Right now my payout says 0 because I am not in profit. If price was above my entry price, you would see that it would say $1.60, which is my initial dollar that I risked plus my 60% or my 60 cents profit. Then you have some other details here. You have sell, double up, rollover. These are tools that you can use to help you clear the trade, help you win the trade. We're not going to go over those. Those are more advanced tools that if you do start trading binary options, you will want to learn what those mean so that you can use them to your advantage. All right, so we're going to see what happens with this trade. Right now I am out of profit. So we're going to see if it goes up within the next couple seconds. If it doesn't, then I'm going to lose $1. Boom. So this red box popped up. You'll see it says 0 USD. Okay, that means I just lost my $1 that I risked. Okay, that's all right. It's just a demo trade. Mind you, what I just did right there would be considered gambling because I didn't look at a chart. I didn't do my technical analysis. I didn't know exactly when to enter the market. That was strictly just a demo trade. Please do not go on binary options trading and just start hitting call or put. You have to do something called technical analysis, which is a whole different discussion, but you would analyze a chart, see where's the best price to enter for how long, and whether you want to go in for a call or a put. So that was a call option there. I'm going to enter one more, which is a put option. So you'll see that this red line now appeared, which means since I went in for a put, that means a sell, I want price to be below this red line by the time it reaches this dashed vertical line here. Okay, remember these are 2-minute trades. The reason people are gravitating more towards binary options trading in the Forex market is because it's literally money in minutes. If you know how to properly analyze the chart, you can come in here, you can use proper risk, and you can compound your account a great amount in a short period of time. Okay, so you'll hear people refer to it as money in minutes, which means I can go in here if I wanted to clear 3 trades or so, depending on how much I risk, I can profit a significant amount of money. So right now I am currently in profit for this trade. So you'll see it is below this red line here. Now you see my payout says $1.61. All right, we still have my details for the trade that I'm currently in. We're gonna wait about another minute to see if this trade does clear. Your trade does have to stay in profit by the time it hits this line in order for you to win the trade. If at the last second it shoots up and it's above this line, I would lose the trade since I am in for a put. All right, so we got about 30 seconds left for this trade. Let's see how it plays out. Looks like it should be a winning trade, which means I would profit 60 cents. And you'll see how the profit changes as well. If I were to risk $20, I could have profited $12. And depending on how much you risk, your profit is going to change. It's all based on the percentage over on this side. All right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and boom. So you'll see a green box pops up when you do win the trade, and instead of it saying $0, it's going to say result, the initial amount that you risked plus your profit. So it says $1.61. Okay, that went back to my balance. So since I lost that first trade, now I'm only down like 39 cents or so, 40 cents. So that's the basics of the platform here. I do want to make this video pretty short, so I'm going to run through one more thing. But people are really interested in this style of trading. It's becoming a lot more popular because, like I said, you can get into the market, you can get in and out with the bag, and you can make your profit, you can go about your day. The reason I like it is because the ability to compound your account is something that I found really interesting. And so what we're going to do now is we're going to go through a compound calculator. What we have here is a compound daily interest calculator. So let's say I start my account with $1,000 and I have the goal I want to grow my account by, let's say 2%. Let's say I want to do this for 100 days. And for daily reinvest rate, I'm going to keep it at 100%, which means I'm not going to be withdrawing any money from my account. I'm just going to leave it in there and continue to compound it. And then where it says include weekends, we're going to keep that at no because we do not trade on the weekends. The Forex market is closed. Now, if we calculate this, we have the potential of growing a $1,000 account to $7,244.61 from Tuesday, April 27th to Tuesday, September 14th. Okay, that's awesome growth right there. 2% a day is tremendous growth. If you do the math and you do this for a year, 2 years, you can be a 6-figure trader. And so that's something that keeps me going as I pursue this binary options trade. It also gives you a breakdown that gives you your date, your earnings, reinvest percentage, principal, cash out, total principal, total cash. This is just a way for you to keep track of your growth and your goal, what you should be reaching every day in order to grow your account by 2%. And the last thing I want to cover today is going over the chart that we use to mark up. And this is another platform called TradingView. This is where we would go in, we would mark up our charts, we would get an idea where we predict the market to go. And you don't want to just start binary options trading and start pressing call or put, because that's just gambling. You want to do some form of technical analysis using support and resistance, trend lines, indicators, something to give you an idea where you predict the market to go. Okay, if you're just going in and you're pushing call or put, you might as well go to the casino. Okay, play some roulette, play some blackjack, probably have a better chance that way. All right, so let's go back to the broker platform really quick. The last thing I'm going to leave you with here is that if you are interested in trading binary options, you can reach out to me, DM me on Instagram, follow me on Facebook, and however you need to reach out to me, I will post my Instagram and my Facebook so you can follow me. But if this is something you are interested in, you can be a part of our community, be a part of our team. I trade with hundreds of other people. And we have people a part of our team who actually call out trades for us. So as we are learning this skill, we can also be profitable as long as we know how to push, call, or put at the certain price that they call out. Okay, we trade Monday through Thursday. If you're interested, please reach out to me, or even if you would just want to tune into a live trading session, you can reach out to me and you can tune into a live trading session, see how it goes, see if it's something that you are interested in. Thank you all for watching. Let's link up and let's get you trading.